Hello, this video is going to talk about black pepper essential oil. We know it can be used as a spice, but did you know that it contains important compounds that may support your body and your mood as well? In this video, I'll share some ways black pepper essential oil can be used besides just as a spice in your kitchen. Hello, my name's Amelia, and this is the Essential How-To channel where I love to support your sense of feeling good in your home, your health, and your attitude. Everything that I talk about today will be linked to down below in the description, so be sure to check it out, and while you're there, hit the subscribe button as well. This essential oil has an ancient history. Native to India, it was once used as currency in ancient Rome and Greece. It is steam distilled from the fruit of the plant and contains many powerful compounds that are really important for your body's health. Let's explore 3 different ways for how you can use it in your home. At the end of the video, I'll share with you other oils that blend really well with black pepper essential oil. And I'll give you a diffuser recipe. Be sure to dilute this essential oil before using it on your skin. Try a skin test to make sure it doesn't cause any redness or itching. That just means putting a little bit on your wrist or the inside of your elbow and watching it to make sure that you don't have a reaction. All right, 3 ways to use black pepper essential oil at home. Number 1, muscle discomfort. Dilute black pepper essential oil with your favorite massage oil or carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil or jojoba oil. The warming sensation of this powerful oil, along with antispasmodic compounds, makes it great to use for a massage. Add a little peppermint or lavender oil and make that calming effect go even further. Number 2, joint discomfort. Just like number 1, the warming effect of this black pepper essential oil as well as anti-inflammatory support can help ease joints. Add a drop or 2 along with a carrier oil as mentioned in step 1 and apply to the area of concern. Add a little ginger essential oil for an added boost to this effect. Number 3, emotional tension. When you feel tension building, take some time out for yourself. Take a moment and open up a bottle of black pepper. Inhale directly from the bottle, 5 deep breaths. Add a couple drops to a carrier oil and massage it into the back of your neck and see if that doesn't help ease some of that tension. There are many other uses for black pepper essential oil. It's really one of my favorite oils. You can find studies on digestive support and respiratory support as well. Finally, what oils mix well with black pepper? Well, any kind of citrus oil works really great, but you can also try something like clary sage or frankincense, geranium or lavender, clove or juniper berry, sandalwood and cedarwood. So now for that essential oil diffuser recipe. This is a really good one for energizing you. 2 drops of black pepper, 2 drops of cinnamon, 2 drops of clove, and 1 drop of wild orange. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video about using black pepper essential oil. There are many more videos on the Essential How-To channel. I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button and take a look around. The more that you use essential oils every single day, the more you'll find the benefits in your home, your health, and your attitude.